The fugitive accused of the NDPS case of Phensedyl and Eskof worth 50 lakh was arrested by the Bishamganj police after 14 days. The name of the arrested was Sanjit Deb. Earlier, his wife Sipra Deb was arrested by the police instead of him when cough syrup was recovered from the house. In the details, it is known that on 24th April, after receiving a tip-off from a secret source, Bishamganj police and TS Sarjawan raided a new house of Sanjit Deb in Seletiamura area of Chechurimai village, Panchayat of Charilam block. The owner of the house, Sanjit Deb, ran away from the house. The police arrested Sanjit Deb's wife, Sipra Deb, along with the drug paraphernalia and brought her to Bishamganj police station. Later, Sipra Deb was handed over to the Vishalgarh Sub-Divisional Court and the court ordered her to be jailed. Till now, Sipra Deb is in jail. Her husband, Sanjit Deb, was absconding. Later, Bishamganj police started searching for the accused Sanjit Deb, and the fugitive accused of the NDPS case of Phensedyl and Eskof worth 50 lakh was arrested by the Bishamganj police after 14 days. Police arrested Sanjit Deb on Saturday afternoon and brought him to Bishamganj police station, and he was handed over to the Vishalgarh Sub-Divisional Court after seeking a 3-day remand, said Shubimal Devnath Ushi of Bishamganj police station. However, the local residents and the police can swear that such a large sum of money is not from the simple householders Sanjit and Sipra Deb. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.